Imidlalo netbank lempelasontfo yesentshentshiswa njengaleyo yokuhlola ukuthi ngabe vele kuyenteka yini ukuthi balandzeli babuyele etinkhundleni. Kepha inkundla kumele ithwale 50% kanti kuvumeleke balandzeli abagome ngalokuphelele etinkhundleni. Umdlalo wokuqala wenetbank lotomukela abalandzeli etinkhundleni usemkhatsini kweTTM neSuperSport United ePulukwane ngalesihlanu kanti utawulandzelwa imidlalo lemibili ngemgcibelo. Kumdlalo wokugcina iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ekhaya licembu le-ABC Motsipe iSummerfield Dynamos. Uhulumende uthembise kuniketa ngetikhungo tekugoma kulawo balandzeli abangakagome etinkhundleni temidlalo etahlukene nalapho kuthengiswa khona emathikithi.
We are creating a platform and convenience to make it easier for people, those that forgot to vaccinate, that the facilities are made available for them. We thought maybe it's convenient that, as we are moving forward, challenging the government to open all the stadiums 100%, that does not have an excuse from the government, that, we are not sure about your status. We're encouraging people, we're not forcing people. To make sure that as our message is strengthened, we are simply doing the right thing.
We will be having sites, vaccination sites, where you will be buying your tickets. You should be expecting us to be there. We will be there to be offering the vaccines. Not only will we stop there, at the stadium, we will be having our vaccination sites there being ready to offer the vaccines. Not only will we be offering vaccines at the stadium, but also we will be having our data capturers, our volunteers who will be there. For those who have been vaccinated, who do not have the certificate, we will be able to download the certificate for them.